Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure the SDK, platform tools, and a system image are installed and virtualization is enabled in BIOS. Once done, close Android Studio and kill any lingering ADB or emulator. EXE processes from Task Manager or Terminal. This prevents port conflicts. Next, run Android Studio as administrator so it can update emulator components. These steps unblock most startup errors because they remove resource locks and ensure the emulator has the required low-level support. Now address configuration. Open SDK Manager and install or update emulator, Android SDK tools, and platform tools. Outdated components often fail to start. Then use AVD Manager to recreate the virtual device, selecting an x86 or x86-64 image and default device profile to match your hardware. If startup still fails, toggle the emulator backend, toggle between hardware accelerated, HAXM or hypervisor, and software rendering in AVD advanced settings. To finish, launch the emulator from Android Studio or run it from the command line with Verbose to watch errors in real time. Logs point to driver or image issues. Make sure Intel HAXM is installed on Intel machines or enable WHPX on Windows. Without acceleration, the emulator is slow or fails. If problems persist, wipe AVD data or delete and recreate the device, and then gather emulator and ADB logs to diagnose root causes. This single troubleshooting tip saves hours when deeper faults remain.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.